Hey everyone, today let's explore the word trawler. A trawler is a noun that refers to a fishing boat used to catch fish by dragging a large net through the water. It's an important tool in commercial fishing. Some synonyms for trawler are fishing boat, dragger, and seiner. Interestingly, there aren't direct antonyms for trawler, but you could think of something like a passenger boat or sailboat as an opposite type of vessel. Let me give you a few examples to make it clear. The trawler returned to the harbor with a huge catch of fish. They spotted a large trawler working just off the coast. Modern trawlers are equipped with advanced technology for deep sea fishing. The old trawler was retired after years of faithful service at sea. So that's the word trawler. It's a super useful term if you're talking about fishing or boats. Try using it in conversation. You never know when it might come up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more word tips. See you next time. Happy learning.